This presentation is entitled About Nonprofits, What They Are and What They Do by Andrea Walker. What is a nonprofit? Nonprofits are organizations or groups who provide a good or service. Nonprofits are tax exempt, must adhere to very specific regulations to remain tax exempt, cannot generate a profit, cannot make a profit from members, are listed under regulated tax codes including 501c3 and 501c4, consist of religious institutions, child care centers, labor unions, and public charities. How is a nonprofit governed? Nonprofits are required to have a board of directors. The board of directors establish the mission and vision of the organization, establish the rules of self-governance for the board and the greater organization, including bylaws, ensure that the organization adheres to tax laws and rules in their field of service, establish a chief executive officer to hire staff and carry out board directives, and are led by a board chair. Nonprofit mission and vision. The nonprofit board is responsible for establishing nonprofit culture, establishing fiscal solvency, and monitoring service delivery. The nonprofit communicates who the nonprofit is, what it does, who it serves, and what its values are. The nonprofit vision illustrates how the mission will be carried out, who will carry out the mission, and how that will be measured. Nonprofits versus for-profit and government entities. Nonprofits cannot retain profits for the organization or for individuals served by the organization. Nonprofits must adhere to laws about staff salary limits. Nonprofits are limited in the amount and the type of political lobbying they can do. 501c3 nonprofits are forbidden from any political engagement aside from limited lobbying. Nonprofits are required to disclose IRS 990 forms for fiscal transparency. The following references are included in this presentation from Joanne Fritz, from the IRS, from Board Source, and from Michael J. Worth's text, Nonprofit Management, Principles and Practice, 5th edition. Thank you, and I appreciate your time for listening to this presentation.